Hey guys, my name is Maya Galore, and today we're going to be creating a holiday party look. So this look is going to be perfect for any type of party that you have to go to during the holiday season. We're going to be starting off with the brows today, and the product we're going to be using is the bareMinerals Brow Master. The shade we're going to be using today is Coffee. And as you can see, on one side is the angled tip, and the other side we have a spoolie. So I'm gonna start to use the sculpting pencil just to fill in my brows as well as create hair-like strokes. You can already see the big difference between this brow and this brow while using the Brow Master. And now I'm just taking the spoolie side of the Brow Master just to brush through the brows and blend the color into my natural brows. So the next product we're using on the brows is the Strength and Length Serum-Infused Brow Gel, and this one is in the shade Clear. And we're just gonna use this product to define the brow hairs. For foundation today, we're gonna be using the Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick. And the shade that we are gonna be using is Cinnamon 10.5. And this particular foundation is a medium coverage, so it is a buildable formula, and it does give a very natural, radiant finish. And we're gonna be blending this out with the smoothing face brush. We're just gonna stipple the brush and just start to blend out our foundation. This foundation also protects the skin with a mineral base SPF, and we always wanna make sure that our skin is protected. So that is one thing that I absolutely love about this particular foundation stick. So for concealer today, we're gonna go into the BARESKIN Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. And I'm gonna apply this concealer with the applicator, but then I'm going to buff it out with the diffused eye brush. This concealer in particular does give us a very full coverage, but it is a natural finish. So I'm just going to place it underneath my eyes as well as a little bit on the chin, a little bit down the nose, and also above the lip. So I want a brighter under eye just to bring the drama to this holiday party look. Now we're gonna get right into this golden smoky eye, which is my favorite part of this tutorial. So today we're gonna be using the NUDE Latte eyeshadow palette, and this is a beautiful palette. This particular palette does have more bronzy and neutral shades that are metallic as well as matte, so you can get a good variety of looks out of this one palette. And with the fluffy blending brush, I am going to sweep this into our crease. The next shade I'm gonna dip into is Firefly, and I'm actually gonna take my finger to dip into that shade and press it onto the lid. Next, we're gonna dip into the shade Spirit, and we're gonna work that right in between Firefly and Solstice. And this is just to create some depth in our crease and really bring in that smoky look. Now, while we're at it with the shade, we're also going to take it and line the bottom lash line with it, but just on the corner. So next for eyeliner, we are going to go into the Lasting Line Absolute Black eyeliner. And this particular eyeliner is very soft, so it's perfect to actually blend out and smudge out. I'm going to add this liner right here on the end of the lash line at the top and at the bottom and bring it out, kind of like a cat eye. The other end of this liner does have a smudge tip, so I am going to use that just to smudge this out. The very last step before we hop into mascara is to take a tight line brush and to go back into Solstice and just blend out the deeper shade and just bring that color all the way across the lower lash line. So now we're gonna go into the bareMinerals LASHTOPIA Mascara. And this particular mascara does help the lashes to be nice and soft and doesn't make them brittle like a lot of other mascaras do. So next we're gonna add a little bit of color to the cheeks using the Bounce and Blur Powder Blush. And this one is in Mauve Sunrise. And this blush is fingertip friendly, so you can just take your fingertips and build the color up on your cheeks. You can go from having a really soft flush of color to a very saturated color on the cheeks. Last but not least, we are gonna go into a lipstick just to finish this look off. We are gonna go into the MINERALIST Hydra-Smoothing lipstick, and this shade is in Memory. And this is a creamy, hydrating lipstick. It gets rid of lines and dryness on your lips, so it is perfect for a holiday night out. Alrighty, so that wraps it up for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this holiday look, which is perfect for any holiday party that you might be wanting to step into this season. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.